In November 2017, a pivotal meeting took place at State House that would significantly impact Zimbabwe's political landscape. Sanabina mashuka abudanyuka panapa vanhu vachiti aiwa vipi Chiwenga vanenge ndopakarasikira tsoro yavo apa. Sanabina mashuka abudanyuka vanoti subscribe like turn on the bell like kuti mina mzimu aimunyuka muchidzi President R.G. Mugabe in a bid to ensure a peace transition of power reportedly advised General Constantino Chiwenga, the commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, to assume control of the country. According to government sources, the meeting, which also included Father Fidelis Mukonori and South African envoys, was intended to discuss a smooth transition amidst growing political unrest. During the critical discussion, Mugabe allegedly suggested that Chiwenga should take over power himself to maintain stability. A government insider disclosed recently President Mugabe met with General Chiwenga and explicitly advised him to take over power. This revelation sheds new light on the events leading up to Mugabe's ouster and the subsequent political realignment in Zimbabwe. The advice from Mugabe came during a time of intense pressure and uncertainty. Chiwenga, who was a key military figure and central to the events leading up to the Mugabe's resignation, reportedly chose not to follow the presidency council. Panapa ndomasvika rubuda pano zvinzi aiwa ndopakarasikira tsoro yake noda kwokuti akanga wana mukana wekuti apinde, but iye since akanga ari the one akanga akabata makey ndiye anga aikontrola zvese akalida to the coup. Panapa achinzi ndiye akazochuza zvake kuti arege kupinda panhau dzekutonga, achuze zvake kuti apinze idi munangagwa. Chimotoziva mafungiro eme kuti pamusoro pechiitiko ichi chakuputika patakuna nhau yesuccession zvayakutsviriridza kudai. Toziva mafungiro enyu pena mukome section medu, so subscribe or like and turn on the